What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I just did this. Whoa, you came so freaking close to my car. Let's redo that. What's up, guys? Welcome. Oh my god, he's coming back. I don't even have my GoPro on yet. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I just took a Winn-Dixie shopping order, but it wasn't to be delivered. I've never seen an order like this before. I just shopped it. It was 10 items and I put it on the shelf. Like, I checked out and put it on a shelf. So now another driver, or maybe it's for pickup, because now that Winn-Dixie has like where you pull up, like pickup lanes where they come and bring it out to your car. Like, that's new for a Winn-Dixie. So I already shopped that. And then before I can make my intro, I had to move because this dude was trying to, I don't know, he was too close to my car. So I had to move. I'm at McDonald's now. I just got this order. It was $6.75. So we're gonna go inside, pick it up. I'm going to put this right here because y'all seem to like when I get like the action, pick up, drop off action on my GoPro. So that's what we're gonna do. Excuse me. No, it's not. Thank you.
Eventually.
All right, the pickup time is 9:35. It is 9:41. I'm starting to think somebody came up and took the order, which has never happened to me at McDonald's before.
Can I get a small ice water?
There we go. Confirm. I was starting to think somebody else came and picked it up because I've never been like, what, 6-7 minutes over the pickup time standing up there. Normally I walk in, it's already ready. So yeah, this is a leave at door. They gave me instructions on like what their house looks like. So I almost put I arrived at customer. New, see delivery details from anywhere. Turn on a floating dash widget to see your delivery details while navigating. All right, it looks like we are here. All right, it came out to $7 with a $4.50 tip. $2.50 for 2.5 miles. That is not my jam. Okay, so I declined an order, and let me show you what it looks like. Let me show you with this one. I almost clicked accept, you guys. Okay, this is what it shows you. After declining, it'll be that. Earlier it said it will go from 22 to 21. Now it's saying after declining, are you sure you want to decline order? So with this little update, their decline screen has changed. I'm not too excited about it because if I click decline, I know I want to decline it. No matter what my acceptance rate is. $7.25 for 6 miles. I'm gonna decline that one as well. And it says you're currently at 22%. You're gonna go down to 21%. Another way of them to entice me to take this order, to scare me into taking this order. Guess who's back? Back again. Sarah's back. Tell a friend. Yeah. Oh yeah, we got a $7.50 order. It was going 3-point-something miles. All right, we got the order. I think this turned off while I was walking out. We're almost there. It brought me like deep into a neighborhood. I'm like, how am I gonna remember how to get out of here? And then it brought me out of that neighborhood into where I know exactly where I am now.
Your destination is on the left.
On the left? What you mean on the left? This house over here on the left? Where's that? 66. It brought me to 13. I gotta turn around. This is weird. Okay, it was the house on the other street behind this house. They're probably watching me drive in circles. At this point, I'm used to all these wrong houses because that's what it's been doing lately. Is this my house? This is the house. Leave that door. Yes, ma'am. I don't play anymore. Oh no, I heard the dogs barking. Okay, it came out to $7.50, $4.50 tip. Let's get out of here. So we were at $23.50 at the hour mark. I am scheduled with Solo. I'll leave more information down in the description box. I schedule every single hour. I work any gig app. I schedule it with Solo because they have a smart scheduling where they are guaranteeing you, like let's say they guarantee you $20 per hour or for this specific hour. And let's say I made like $17, you know, it's a little lower. They will pay me the $3. The amount per hour that's guaranteed is different in every area. Click the link below. If you link your DoorDash or any gig app, they work with like most of the gig apps. If you link that, you'll get $10. Link your PayPal and your Venmo because that's how you activate it with your gig app and your payment app activated. Solo also helps with keeping track of all your income in one place, and they track your miles, they help with taxes, they do so much. So definitely check it out. I'll let you guys know when I get a good order. $14.50. It's 2 orders. I think they're both at the hibachi. We're gonna find out. I have to, yeah, it's not letting me click on anything, so we're gonna head back, figure this out. I can't bring y'all in with me because this thing's still frozen. It won't even turn off. We are here, arrived. They are both at the hibachi place. All right, I got both orders. They're over here. This is the same place where in my last video, after this, I'm putting it in my hot bag. My last video, I walked in, I had the GoPro, and she hands me a cup to go fill up. Well, a lot of people were like, no, 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 do not fill up the cups. That's not our job. Did I not push record? I think y'all can see it from here. I put it on that little bag right there. I guess I didn't push record. What the heck? We came out to $7.50. Oh my God, I hope I did. $5 tip on to the next one. Oh my God. What did I just hit? I didn't even see that. Was that a pothole? I didn't even see it. We gotta go see what that was. All right, I just left it with the person at the front desk. Now it's asking me, how safe do you feel on this delivery? Very safe, mostly safe. Okay, I feel very safe. Okay. Safety is important to us. We make sure the details with the customer. And okay, did something happen here? $9.50, and I was offered $17. $7 tip on that one. Sweet. I made 2 reels for my Instagram. If you don't follow me, it's linked below. It's always a good time over there. I'm most active on my Instagram stories like daily, so if you want to see more of me, check out my Instagram. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.